Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's tutorial, I will demonstrate how to draft a basic short sleeve pattern for a little girl. Hi, my name is Ayo and welcome to 011 Clothings Tutorials. On this channel, I upload DIYs, pattern drafting and sewing tutorials. If you haven't subscribed yet, kindly do so and do not forget to turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So now, let's get right into the tutorial. Thank you. I'll be working with the following items: calculator, paper, scissors. Ideally, a pencil should be used to draft a pattern, but for tutorial purpose, I'll be using this green marker pen, tracing wheel, tape measure, ruler and curves, pattern paper. I'll be working with the following measurements: chest circumference 22 inches, sleeve length 5 inches, around sleeve measurement 7 inches. So I have here my pattern paper, which I've already folded into two, as you can see. I will draw a margin of about 1 inch at this upper part of the pattern paper, and this line will be the starting line. The sleeve length is 5 inches. So from the starting line, I will measure 5 inches downwards and I will mark the point like this. I will now square the line across like this. Now I will calculate the cap height measurement using the formula chest circumference divided by 12 plus 0.5 inch for ease, which is equal to 22 all over 12 plus 0.5, which is equal to 2.3 inches. So from the starting line, I will measure and mark 2.3 inches downwards like this. Then I will square the line across. Now I will estimate the armhole measurement using the formula chest circumference divided by 4, which is equal to 22 all over 4, which is equal to 5 inches. So on this cap height line, I will measure and mark 5.5 inches like this. I will connect it to this point like this with my straight edge or ruler, and this will give me a slanted line. I will now divide the slanted line into 4 equal sections like this. From this first middle point, I will go up by half an inch. From this second middle point, I will come down by half an inch. I will now go ahead and curve the line using the 2 half inches points as a guide. For the hem of the sleeve, I will estimate the around sleeve plus 2 inches for ease divided by 2, which is equal to 7 inches plus 2 all over 2, which is equal to 4.5 inches. So at the hem, I will measure and mark 4.5 inches like this. I will connect these 2 points together with my ruler. Using my tracing wheel, I will trace out the sleeve pattern to the other side of the pattern paper, like this. So because my tracing will not be visible on the camera, I will use my marker pen, straight edge and French curve to make the tracing bolder. I will also draw the center line like this. From the middle of the armhole curve, this middle point, this point, I will come down by half an inch. I will now go ahead and redraw the armhole curve like this. This side will be the front of the sleeve pattern, while this other side will be the back. I will now go ahead and cut out the basic short sleeve pattern. So that's it guys, we're done. Do not forget to like, share my video, drop a comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in my next tutorial. Bye and thank you so much for watching.